Hey guys, if you're trying to download a file or application from Google Chrome but the download speed is slow and it's taking ages to download, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how you can speed up your download speed. I recommend following all of these steps for the best results. So first thing we want to do is load up Google Chrome, and you want to close down any active tabs that you currently have open, as these can use resources and slow down your background speed. And we also want to close down any background applications, because again, they can slow down our download speeds. So you could just come to the start bar and search for Task Manager and click on the Task Manager icon, and we want to click this Network tab, and what that's going to do is it's going to order our processes in which ones are using the most amount of bandwidth. And you basically just want to close down anything that we're not currently using. For example, I'm not currently using Discord, so we could just right click on Discord and select End Task. Once we've closed down any background applications, we can head off of the Task Manager, and you want to come back to Google Chrome and select these three little dots on the right. And we want to come to Clear Browsing Data. Make sure all three of these are checked: browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cache images of files. And you want to select Clear Data. Once we've finished clearing our cache data, you want to come into the URL at the top here and type in chrome:/ and the word flags. Then hit enter, and you should come to a page like this. And in this search box at the top here, you want to search for Parallel, and you should see something called Parallel Downloading. Now we want to disable this, as this can also slow down our download speed, by coming over to this drop down menu and selecting Disabled. Before we close Google Chrome, let's just come into the three little dots on the right here and scroll down to Settings, click on the Privacy and Security tab, and then come into this Security tab and scroll down to where it says Select DNS Provider. You want to make sure Use Secure DNS is toggled on, and where it says Select DNS Provider, you either want to choose Google Public DNS or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. You might need to alternate between the two to find out which one's quicker for you. I'm just going to select Google Public DNS, and the last setting we can change actually inside of Google Chrome is you want to come down to this System tab on the left here and make sure Use Graphics Acceleration when available is disabled, as although this can speed up the graphics when loading pages, it can actually affect the download speed, so you just want to keep this disabled. Then we can close off of Google Chrome, and the next thing we're going to do is come to our Start menu on our computer, and you want to search for CMD. Then right click on the command prompt and make sure to run it as administrator. Inside of here, all you simply need to do is type in ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit enter, and that's basically just going to clear all of our network cache, and we can close off of this window. And that's it guys. By following all of these steps, that should have sped up your download speed. If you still are experiencing problems, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.